Hey, this is Tia from OTR Performance, and I got in front of me a starter that I had removed from a 2009 Volvo with a D13 engine. The truck did not want to start, so we're going to do a bench test on the starter to see what's going on. First we're going to do is we're going to take a battery or some jumper cables that's hooked up to a battery. We're going to hook up the power right here. And ground right here. I'm going to use a power probe on this test. It's a very nice tool to have and it works great on doing electrical testing. So I just got to give it power and ground. And over here we have the starter solenoid. We're going to put ground here, and then we're gonna tap power to see if we can crank the starter over. So if this starter was in the truck, you always have power and ground here at these two terminals. And then when you cycle the key on crank position, it puts power over here and engages the starter. So I'm going to go ahead and apply power over here. And as you can hear, as you can see, all it does is clicks and it does not want us to turn over. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the starter replaced or rebuilt by the professionals. After that, we're going to put it back in the truck and the truck will be ready to go. If you have any questions or comments, let us know. Visit our website, OTRPerformance.com, for more information. Until next time, keep hauling.